Okay, everybody. So it is. Let's begin. Keep falling and putting my hand on my bed. Stay focused. Do a little nollie for fun. Lean. Oh yeah. A little lean to the other rail. This is exhausting. Do a 5-0. There we go. Look at her go. Oh. Nice. Look at this. Oh. I saw it coming. Uh-oh. That's pretty scary. Damn it. Just a little too late. Oh. Did it perfectly. Come on. Come on now. Don't do me like that. Look at this man go. Yeah, what's up? Alright, I gotta get past this. Come on. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Come on. Oh, this is so weird. Confused. Yet I can nollie on. There we go. I'm an absolute moron. Man, I keep wanting to do a nollie. Yeah, get right to the edge. There we go. Damn it. I had it. Minute to go. Nice. Go. Nose grind. There we are. Oh my god, what's this? Uh-oh. Gulp. Christ air. Oh my god, dude. Oh. Alright, not bad. Cool. An alien. Okay. There we are. I'm gonna cut it there. See you in the next session.